Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you today how to make a paper fish duck, duck bird type thing. Alright, this is going to be a simple version of it, there are versions where you like pull the back and it's being go like psh, but that takes like 4 hours to fold. Okay, so what we want to start with is some copy paper, and we want to make a square out of it. So we just take this corner, edge to edge, and make sure this right here is good and aligned. Just crease it, and you want a good crease because the crease is like a vital part of the bird. Alright, now we just want to get rid of this piece right here. And you want to make this a good crease. Crease it multiple times so you can get a nice even cut. Alright, now we just find the rip, make a little cut or rip, whatever, and just pull apart. Alright, now put that away. Alright, if you can't see your crease good enough, then you might want to fold it and crease it again. But, mine's good. Alright, so we got this square with cut through. Alright, we want to take the right side and fold it over so it makes kind of like a kite shape thing. And you want the edge right here to be as parallel to the crease as you can, because that gives you the best results. It doesn't have to be, but if you want to make it look good, then you probably want to. Then just crease it. Then you take the other side and you do the same thing. Alright, now these two edges right here might not be even, but that's okay. Now, after you're done with these, you want to make sure you got a nice crease right here, or you might make it look ugly, which we don't want. Alright, so now we have crease right here. You take the right side, and basically we do what we did on the other side. We just fold it like that, make sure it's parallel, and crease. You see, I kind of messed up right there, so I'm gonna do it again. There we go. Now we do the same thing, the other side. Alright, now you got a kite shape thing, as I said before. Alright, now we want to make you want to take this part and you want to fold it so this edge right here meets about the top of it, overlapping just a little bit, like ½ inch. And you want to make sure you got this kind of even and centered. Symmetrical would be a good term. Then crease it. And now basically we do the same thing again. We take it and crease it, we'll fold it over and make sure it's lined. See right here. And you want to make sure it overlaps a little bit. Crease it. Alright, now we're almost done. Okay, now with this right here, fold it like that. Okay, you want to squish together and crease it, and then you want to pull the neck up like that. and increase to desired height, and do the same thing with the head. And there you go. A bird. And now, they are brothers.